Hi students, good morning. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to grade 11 business mathematics class. We are started our third chapter analytical geometry in our last class and we have completed first section example locus. I hope you all completed the classwork and only one homework I have explained and I gave you. I hope you all of you completed. Those who not completed, please complete it. Okay. So let's move to today's class. So in exercise 3.1, 4 problems are left there. So we will complete that one. Okay, first problem you have completed. So second one, exercise 3.1, problem number 2. I'm writing the question first. A point moves so that it is always a point moves so that it is always at a distance of 4 units from the point 3, minus 2. First you will draw one rough diagram. So it is x-axis, it is y-axis. So what is it? There is one point. So consider this point as P of x1, y1. Be a point on the locus and one point 3, minus 2. So 3, minus 2 means it will be 3, minus 2. Approximately here, is it right? So in a graph we are plotting. So 3, minus 2 it will be there. Be the fixed point. Okay. So it will be 4 units from the point 3, minus 2. Okay. So from here to here you can join. So the distance is 4 units. Understand? So you need to find the a point moves so that it is always at a distance of 4 units from the point. So you need to find the equation of the locus. Okay, solution. First you can write all the given data. That is, let P of x1, y1 be any point. It's a moving point. Keep it in mind. Be any point on the locus and a 3, minus 2 be the fixed point. Understand? What is given, ma? Given that it is A. Okay. So PA, what's the distance it is given? 4 units. Is it right? 4. So at once what will you do? We will square it. Is it right? Then only it will be easy for you. Okay. So you can square it. Squaring on both sides. If you are squaring on both sides, what will happen? PA square is equal to 4 square. Okay. So PA square, you can apply the formula. P, what's the point? x1, y1. A, what's the point? 3, minus 2. So you will use the distance formula. Okay. So what will happen? x1 minus 3 the whole square plus y1 minus of minus plus 2 the whole square is equal to 4 square means 16. Okay. So a minus b the whole square means a square minus 2ab, that is minus 6y plus 9 plus a plus b the whole square means y1 square plus 2ab means 4y1 plus 4 is equal to 16. Bring all the terms to one side. x1 square plus y1 square minus 6x1 plus 4y1. This one if you add means plus 13, is it right? Plus 13 minus 16 is equal to 0. So what's the answer? x1 square plus y1 square minus 6x1 plus 4y1 minus 3 equal to 0. So locus of a point P of x, y, is it right? So locus of x1, y1 is, what's the answer? X square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 3 equal to 0. This is a required answer. Understand? If we draw the diagram and if you write the given data correctly, only the distance formula we are using. Understand students? I hope you got the idea. Let's move to the next problem. Question number 3. If the distance of a point from the points 2, 1 and 1, 2 are in the ratio 2:1, then find the locus of a point. Okay. If the distance of a point from the points 2, 1 and 1, 2 are in the ratio 2:1. First we will draw the diagram, then only it will be easy for you. So it is x-axis, it will be y-axis. What they say, if the distance of the point from the points 2, 1 and 1, 2. So first you will plot the point. So 2, 1 means it will be there. Then 1, 2 means it will be approximately here. So 1, 2. Okay. So join these 2 points are in the ratio 2:1. Okay. So 2:1 means 2:1. It will be here maybe. X, y1. Okay. So keep it in mind. BP. Okay. So it is B. It is A. So 2:1. So this line if you are joining these two, it will be cut in the ratio 2:1. That's all. You need to find the locus of a point. That's all. Okay. So solution. Write down the given first. Let's P of x1, y1 be any points on the locus and A 2, 1 and B 1, 2 are the fixed points. Okay, are the fixed points. Okay. So what's the ratio? It is given, is it right? What's the ratio? PA is to PB. That is P is there. So PA is to PB. The ratio is given. Okay. So given PA is to PB equal to 2:1. Okay. So PA is to PB is equal to 2:1. So the meaning is PA divided by PB equal to 2/1. Understand? So ratio means we will write in divide. Is it right? Now cross multiply. PA is equal to 2 into PB. Next you will use the distance formula. Square it on both sides. Squaring on both sides. What will happen? PA square is equal to 2 square PB square. Okay. Not A square, PBA the whole square, PB the whole square. Okay. So now use the distance formula. P is x1, y1. A is 2, 1. B is 1, 2. Substitute in this formula. What's the value you get? You can write. So obtain, that is x1 minus 2 the whole square plus y1 minus 1 the whole square is equal to 2 square means 4 outside. Okay. Then x1 minus 1 the whole square plus y1 minus 2 the whole square. Okay. Simplify. AK minus b the whole square means a square minus 2ab. That is 4x1 plus 4. Then y1 square minus 2y1 plus 1 is equal to 4 into x1 square minus 2x1 plus 1. The next one plus y1 square minus 2y1 means 4y1 plus 4. Okay. Multiply inside, that is x1 square minus 4x1 plus 4 plus y1 square minus 2y1 plus 1. Multiply inside, 4 into x1 square minus 4 to 8x1 plus 4 plus 4y1 square minus 16y1 plus 16. Okay. Bring all the terms to one side, this side. So 4x1 square minus 8x1 plus 4 y1 square minus 16y1 plus 16 minus x1 square plus 4x1 minus 4 minus y1 square plus 2y1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So what's the value we'll get? That is 4x1 square minus x1 square means, carefully simplify, 4x1 minus x1 square means 3x1 square. Then y1 square. So 4y1 square minus y1 means plus 3y1 square. Then last x1 term. x1 here, one x1 term is there. Here one x1 term is there. So minus 4x1 you will get. Then y1 term minus 16 y1 is there. Here plus 2y1 is there. So 14 is it right? Minus 14y1. Then constant term. Plus 4 is there. Plus 16 is there. So 20. 20 minus 5 is it right? So we will get plus 15 is equal to 0. So last what will you do? The locus of a point P of x1 y1. Change all the x1 y1 to xy. So the locus of x1 y1 is, change it ma, 3x square plus 3y square minus 4x minus 14y plus 15 equal to 0. This is a required answer. Understand? So very easy. First when you are drawing the diagram, and afterwards if you are writing the given correctly, it will be very easy for you. Understand? Okay. Let's move to the next problem. Problem number 4. The question is, find a point on x-axis which is equidistant from the points 7, minus 6 and 3, 4. Okay, find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from the point 7, minus 6 and 3, 4. Okay, so draw the diagram first. So this is x-axis, this one is y-axis. So what the question? Find the point on x-axis. Okay, on the x-axis. First you plot the point 7, minus 6. It will be approximately here. Okay, 7, minus 6. Then one more point 3, 4. It will be 3, 4 means approximately I am drawing 3, 4. So it is B point, it is A point. Join these 2 points. Okay, these 2 points. It will be cut in the here. Okay, so it will be in the x-axis. So here they asked which is equidistant from the point. You find the point on x-axis. So it is on x-axis which is equidistant from the both also equidistant. So equidistance means from here to, it is not a equidistance, is it right? It will be approximately here. Then only it will be cut in the common ratio. It is in x-axis, so x1, 0. Y value will be 0. So point on x-axis means y will be 0. Point on a y-axis means x1 will, that and all last year you have learned. So this is a diagram. So here you need to find the point. Okay, here we need to find the equation. Here we need to find the point. Understand? Okay, solution. Let P of x1, 0 be any point on the locus and A 7, minus 6 and B 3, 4 are the fixed points. Okay. Let P of x1, 0. Read the question very carefully. Here we no need to find the equation. Here we need to find the point. Okay, point. We need to find the point. So what is given? It is equidistant, is it right? So PA must be equal to PB. So one more problem we have did an example, same as that. Understand? You will have a doubt. Why ma'am in this line you are writing the P of x1? So equidistant means here 7, minus 6. Correctly, if you need means you take down on a graph sheet and draw it and see the equidistance must be here only, nearly. So PA is equal to PB. Now square on both sides, squaring. What will happen? PA square is equal to PB square. So P means what's the value? x1, 0. A, the point is 7, minus 6. B, the point is 3, 4. Now substitute here. x1 minus 7 the whole square plus 0 minus of minus, is it right? So plus 6 the whole square is equal to x1 minus 3 the whole square plus 0, is it right? 0 minus 4 the whole square, correct? Simplify. x1 minus 7 the whole square. So x square minus 2ab means minus 14x1 plus 49 plus 6 square means 36. And this also. x1 square minus 2ab means minus 6x1 plus 9 plus 16. So this two terms will get cancelled, remaining you can simplify. So minus 4x1 plus 6x1, simplify, plus 85, if you are bringing this to this side, minus 25 equal to 0. So 14 minus 6 means 8x1 plus 60 equal to 0. So 8x1 is equal to minus 60, minus. So minus will get cancelled. So x1 is equal to 60 by 8. So cancelling time 430. Again you can cancel 15 by 2. So what's the point? 15 by 2. Now substitute in P of x1 comma 0. Okay, the required point on x-axis. On x-axis, the point is P of x1 comma 0, correct? So substitute here, the point is 15 by 2 comma 0. Understand, students? So this is, okay, find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from the point. So 2 points you need to consider. Equidistant means A to A and B to B, the distance is equal. Then P of the point on the x-axis. So y must be 0. So x1 comma 0. At last find out x1 and substitute there. Understand? Very easy. Okay. Okay. Finally, one more question is there. Problem number 5. If A minus 1 comma 1 and B 2 comma 3 are two fixed points, then find the locus of a point P so that the area of a triangle APB equal to 8 square units. It is somewhat different. Listen here. If you have drawn the diagram, it will be very easy for you. Okay. First, draw the diagram. It is x-axis. It is y-axis. A is minus 1 comma 1. So minus 1 comma 1 means minus 1 comma 1. Correct? Minus 1 comma 1. A point. Then B is 2 comma 3. So 2 comma 3. It will be nearly here. Okay. 2 points. Then the locus of a point P so that the area. So it will be P. x1 comma y1. Okay. Here to here. Here to here. So then the area APB equal to 8 square units. So last year you have learned the area of a triangle formula. We are going to use that formula here. Understand? Solution. Let P of x1 comma y1 be any point on the locus and A minus 1 comma 1 and B 2 comma 3 are the fixed points. Okay. Fixed points. What's the given area? It is given area of a triangle APB is given as 8 units. Okay, we are going to substitute that one only. So you have learned the formula in the last year. I am not going to confuse you. You have learned the formula there. So same formula we will use there. Okay. So x1, y1. So first you consider all the coordinates. So P of x1, y1. You consider this as x1 comma y1. Then A point, you consider minus 1 comma 1, this is x2, y2. Then next one B point 2 comma 3, this is x3, y3. So last year you have learned the formula. I am writing the formula. Last year same formula. Area of a triangle APB in coordinate geometry you have learned. That is half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This last year small, there will be a change in formula. Otherwise, same formula will cross and will do no. So that formula you can follow. Otherwise, one thing you do, children, you learn this formula. That's all. Understand? So so if you need, you can use that formula. That is cross multiply and will do no. I think you remember half into x1, y1, x2. Then cross it and you will do no. That also same answer you will obtain. Otherwise, one thing you do, you learn this formula. Both also correct. Okay. So the answer is given as 8. Now substitute all the value. 8 is equal to half into x1. x1 is x1. y2 minus y3. Correct? So 1 minus 3. Then plus x2, the value is minus 1. 3 minus y1. Then last step. Plus 2 into y1 minus 1. Okay. So bring this to here. 2 into 8, is it right? So 16 is equal to, simplify x1 into minus 2 plus minus 1 into 3 minus y1 plus 2 into y1 minus 1. Okay. Simplify 16 is equal to minus 2x1 minus 3 minus into minus plus y1 plus 2y1 minus 2. Correct? Then next you can simplify minus 2x1 plus 3y1 minus 5 is equal to 16. Okay. Bring all the terms to one side. That is minus 2x1 plus 3y1 minus 5 minus 16 equal to 0. So what's the value? Minus 2x1 plus 3y1 minus 21 equal to 0. So now you can divide by minus. So what will happen? 2x1 minus 3y1 plus 21 equal to 0. So at last, what's the locus of a point you will consider? That is locus of x1 y1 is, what's the answer? 2x minus 3y plus 21 equal to 0. This is a required answer. Understand? Understand, students? Here area of a triangle. Last year you take your last year book and same formula you can do. That also same answer you will obtain. Otherwise, learn this formula. Everything correct. Okay. So first exercise over. So second exercise we need to move. So in our second exercise, just I am giving the formula alone today. Please all of you take down whatever I am saying today to your note. That's your homework for you today. Next class we will start the problem. Okay. Take your books. I think in your book there will be a difference in page number. So next, after completing this section, put the heading system of straight lines. Next you put the heading various forms of straight lines. Slope point form. Write down this. Point slope form. Write down this. This all the things you have learned last year. Then 2 point form. Write down this. Determinant form. Write down this. Intercept form. Write down this. General form. Write down this. Okay. All the formulas. That is slope intercept form. Y equal to mx plus c. Point slope form. This is a formula. 2 point form. Then determinant form. Intercept form, general form. Okay. Take down all the things to your note. Listen here very carefully. System of straight lines. Put the heading various forms of straight line. Copy down all the formulas. Okay. Next put the heading angle between two straight lines. Angle between two straight lines. Take down this formula. Okay. This and all no need. This 2 lines alone. Angle between straight lines. Put the heading. Write down these 2 lines. Then this and all no need to write down to your note, just you read it. Okay. If m1 minus m2 is positive, then theta, what about theta? The angle between L1 and L2 is acute. Then if it is negative, theta is obtuse. We know that the 2 straight lines are parallel if and only their slope are equal. Last year you have learned. Then perpendicular means m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. That only they gave next also. So this one and all no need to take your note. So what's your work today? After completing this exercise problems, take down your note, system of straight lines. Next, put the heading various form of straight lines. Copy down all the formulas to your note. Then angle between 2 straight lines. Copy these 2 formulas. So this and all you just read it. Last year you have learned. No need to write your note. Okay. So next class I will start from example 3.4. Okay. So find the acute angles between the lines. We will start from here. Understand, students? Before that, please complete all the works to your note. Learn it thoroughly. First section over. So it's a very easiest chapter. Okay, so each and every exercise we will learn some formulas. That's the only difference. So it will be very easy for you, not difficult. So learn it. Formulas, everything you learn it. Whatever the things I said today, please take down all the things to your note. Okay, don't put your notes is pending. Maintain your class works neatly. Okay, understand students? Okay, we will meet in the next class. Thank you students. Be safe. Before that, complete all the works. Okay.